Hi guys and girls and people, aliens, I don't know, maybe. Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make this super cool Blissy cards keychain, whatever. I had so much fun making this and I'm going to show you the whole process. First I drew the illustration, of course, and I was inspired by this Pokemon card, which I liked a lot because Blissey seems very tough in this Pokemon card. And then I drew it in Procreate and I really like this more cartoony style I did. I didn't change up like the composition and such as much. It's mostly the style that has changed more to my style, and I really like how it turned out. I can show you how I made this keychain with shrinking paper or shrink ink, I think it's called. So let's get started! Before printing, I made the image a bit more transparent, and I also made the colors up a bit more. If you shrink the plastic, it will be a lot darker. At first, I didn't want to print, but then I messed with some settings. I don't know what I did with the settings, and then suddenly it wanted to print, and I was so excited because I actually expected it to not print at all. It already worked with the first print, so I'm super excited about that it actually worked. Next up was cutting all the illustrations, and I did a few sizes because I wanted to experiment, and also added 2 of each besides the biggest size because I wanted to be safe in case one of the 2 failed. So I'm cutting out all the plastic and I'm leaving a border, and also I'm making the corners round because otherwise it will be super pointy and it will hurt. And then I'm making some holes for the keychain. Okay, I'll need to ask an adult for help apparently. And then I put it into my oven according to the instructions. And I expected it to look very cool when it shrunk, but you can't really see it with my oven. Also, the footage is sped up of the plastic shrinking. When it was done, I put over some kitchen paper and a crusty shoebox to get some weight on it so that everything was flat, or as flat as possible. And the result is so cute. The plastic has shrunken a lot, as you can see. These are the 3 different sizes next to each other. I think they're so cute, oh my god. And then first I wanted to add some Mod Podge with the expectations that it will be like a super glossy, nice layer on top of it for my keychain. But then I did it and it failed so badly. Like the color just ran out and it didn't look like nice at all. So I was so happy I did 2 of each size. Also my hands are shaking a lot while I make this keychain. Don't worry about me, it's probably because I had pancakes for lunch. So I hope it's not too distracting though. Next I attached the keychain and I used this tool to open the ring and then also to close it again. And it already looks so cute in my opinion. The Mod Podge smear is kind of distracting though, but okay. Next I took my pearly things. They shattered all over my drawer, so that was kind of unfortunate. And then I took the pearls and I also the one with the letters on it, and I took all the letters out that I wanted to use for the keychain. And then I took this elastic string and I put all the pearls on it. I don't know if it... no, it's actually beads. Oh my god. I've been saying pearls all the time, but now I realize it's beads. And then I also used this golden chain to add it on the plastic string for some nice extra bling. I attached the elastic string to the keychain, and I'm really hoping this will stay intact because the elastic string kind of seems a bit fragile, so I hope it won't break because that will be very sad. And I tried to secure it as much as I could with like a lot of knots, and it looks so cute. This is the result up close. I really like it a lot. And then I tried to show it on my pants, but my pants is way too big because I lost a lot of weight, so here is me showcasing it. Ta-da! The spin, wow. And then eventually I used the rest of the golden chain to add it as an accessory to my pants, and here is me awkwardly showing it. And another clip. And that's it, it's so cute. I really hope you like the results and like this video in general as well. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to check out my other videos as well. And I really hope you have a great day or night, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.